Hey guys, welcome back to Tool Deals, where we have amazing tool deals every day. So today I've got this nice DeWalt oscillating tool, or also known as multi-tool. This one is on sale right now, is $99, and it says that it was $179, and that's pretty much correct because this is the brushless version. You can see that XR. So if we go, well, this is on Lowe's, by the way, which I wish they had more deals. They usually Home Depot is a lot better at having deals. So if you guys from Lowe's are listening to me, please bring more deals. We need them. Okay. If not, we're going with Home Depot. Okay, so this is the same tool. This is from Home Depot. You can see that this is only the tool. This one doesn't come with batteries or anything like that. So it says that in order to see the price, I need to add it to cart. So I'm gonna add it to cart so we can see the price. And it's $129. Okay, usually when they ask you to add stuff to the cart, it's because it's on sale. This one, so just the tool is $129, but here you're getting the tool. You're getting also a 1.3 amp hour battery and a charger and a bag. Okay, so you're getting a little bit more than at Home Depot, and also you're getting a lower price. And also this one is a newer model versus the previous model, of course. I'm gonna show you this picture because this looks better. So this one comes with like a little switch so that you can set that speed. Okay, it has 3 different speeds. So this one has a variable speed trigger, which lets you to have more control over what you're doing. So first you need to set the speed here with this switch, and then you can control it. And the maximum speed is going to reach depends on whatever you set at the switch. Okay. So yeah, this is the tool. It really depends on where you're located. There might have more stock, at least at this location they have 3 available, but it depends what your store is. Okay, so let's go to the next deal. So before I forget, remember to subscribe to this channel with a little bell so that you never miss a deal, because that way you can receive a notification as soon as I upload a new deal. Okay, so this is the next deal. This is a pack of 2 Ryobi batteries. Each one of them is 2.0 amp hours. As you can see, the price is $49 and it was $99. So you might be wondering, well, that's not kind of like the greatest deal. And that's true. It's not the greatest deal. I mean, they're more expensive than this. Of course, these are not $50 for both of them. But what I'm saying is, like, for example, this deal, I posted it a few days ago. This deal was $99 and it included 2 4 amp hour batteries plus the charger. And also you could choose any of these tools. I'm checking this one. This deal is still active. So you can go to that video and see what I'm talking about. So this deal is pretty sweet. As I said, the deal that I have today, which is this one, might not be the greatest because of this. I'm going to go here. I'm going to add any tool. Let's add a circular saw. Okay, so let's add this one. And if I go to checkout, I'm going to show you here. Okay, so if I check out, pretty much it splits the price between the circular saw and the battery. So you can get this one. Well, it's giving me a different price because I have quite a few items added to cart. But if you add this to cart and then check out and then buy it and then you receive it, then later on, don't tell this to anybody because this is kind of sketchy. Well, kind of. I mean, they let you do it. They don't care about it. But you can return this tool. So then you would only pay $58 for these 2 4 amp hour batteries. Okay, so if this one is $58 and this other kit is $49, why am I putting it in here, as a deal? Well, let me tell you why. Because these batteries are smaller, and many people prefer smaller batteries with certain tools. just so you know, I did my research and I pull out the scale and I weighed them. And this tool is 16 ounces. Okay, so it's almost 1 pound, almost 1 pound. It's a little bit under 16 ounces. So this one is almost 1 pound. Okay, almost 16 ounces. And this other battery is almost 28 pounds. Okay, so you might be saying like, okay, 15 versus 28, it might not be much. Trust me, it is a lot. It really depends on the tool that you're using. Okay, so for example, if you use it, I'm gonna show you here a picture so we can compare it. You know, for example, if you're using, let's see, like for a flat light and you use a heavy battery, you're not gonna notice it because you're not holding this tool. Or for the radio, or even like heavier tools, like for example this one, you might not even notice that much the difference. But if you're holding a smaller tool, for example, maybe this one, or let me find some other smaller tools. So for example, if you're using a flashlight, you're gonna notice the difference in weight. Also, for example, this rotary tool also. And pretty much any smaller tools, you're gonna notice a lot of the difference. And personally, I've got heavier batteries, which are like this, and also have light batteries like this. And I really prefer to use these ones over the other ones when I'm using lighter tools. For example, when I'm using the blower, I prefer these smaller batteries. Okay, but if I'm using the weed whacker, or weed eater, whatever you call it, I prefer the bigger battery. So that's the deal. These ones, they barely go on sale. So here you have a set of 2 and it's almost $50. Here you pretty much can get them for $60 and these are a lot bigger. Also, you need to notice that these ones don't have a battery indicator. So it doesn't have like that little light where you can see how much battery is left. This one doesn't have it. It's smaller, it's more convenient, it's lighter and all that, but it doesn't have the light battery indicator. So for some people, this might be an amazing deal. For some people, this might be a sucky deal. I don't know, but you decide. If you like smaller batteries or if you've been waiting for them, here's the deal. And if you want to get like high capacity batteries, you can do the trick that I just showed you. Okay? Well, I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a like so that you can help me grow this channel. And also feel completely free to email these links to your friends or just send it out through like Facebook or anything. Okay? Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.